Hello friends, anxiety, depression update. Are you anxious, depressed, or both? There's a combo of 2 supplements that can benefit you. 5-HTP coupled with L-Tyrosine, which I will call LT. Now, if you're depressed, combining LT and 5-HTP can restore emotional balance. The 2 together help restore all the main neurochemicals related to positive mood. This combo is gaining popularity as a depression treatment. It's far gentler than prescription drugs like Prozac and Lexapro, and recent studies indicate it may even be more effective. Anxious? Well, the combination of the mental energy and the personal confidence which these 2 supplements deliver is the perfect antidote to social anxiety. It even makes it easy to speak in front of large groups. The combo of LT and 5-HTP also helps ADHD by providing a calming and focusing effect. Now, you're having cognitive and memory problems? In addition to the powerful mood lift that these 2 compounds can deliver, you also will enjoy added cognitive benefits. You have boosted energy, motivation, improved memory and recall, and it makes concentration easier, and it contributes to what we call fluid intelligence. That's when your synapses are flowing so freely that you can remember all that info that's in your brain's database. Now, is supplementing LT with 5-HTP safe? Yes. Both of these natural supplements are well tolerated, and moderate doses have not seemed to affect anyone. So let's stick to God's pharmacy. Also remember, feeling blue is sometimes a normal reaction to events. But we've been taught we must always be cheerful. Well, sometimes life deals you a blow. I know I've had my blows, but I don't take prescription drugs that I don't need. And I don't want you to either, because I care about you. Now, one more thing. If you're not depressed, but you're feeling blah all the time, you might need a serotonin boost. And that comes from 5-HTP. According to researchers, if you answer yes to 2 or more of these statements, you could need a serotonin boost. And here they are. I'm often tired and sluggish. I have trouble falling asleep and or staying asleep. I tend to crave sweets and or carbs. Even after filling meals, I'll get the munchies. And I often feel stressed, irritable, anxious, or blah. Well, I take 5-HTP. I take 100 milligrams every night. Love it. It truly is the happiness anti-craving supplement. Give it a try. And I take my LT daily also. No depression or anxiety for me. I've been there. I've done that. No more. And I don't want it for you.